Hello everybody, how are you? Fine, excellent. Today we are going to practicing grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 80, language. Okay. More adverbs of place. The words inside and outside are adverbs of place too. Remember that we were seeing about this topic in this other page, in the page number 79. We saw, okay, adverbs of place that tell us where something happens. And here and there are adverbs of place. And now we are seeing that inside and outside adverbs of place too. Examples. Let's go outside to play. This chocolate is chewy inside. Okay, read the following sentences, fill in the blanks with inside or outside. Okay, here we go. I clean my backpack inside and out. Number 2. It is raining very hard outside. Number 3. We stayed inside all day because it was snowing. Number 4. The dogs liked to play outside under the warm sun. Number 5. My mom wants us to keep our toys inside the house. Number 6. Today the weather is very nice outside. Number 7. Look at the trees outside your window. Okay. Number 8. Step inside the house before it gets dark. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Writing skills. On a separate sheet of paper, write at least 3 sentences using adverb of place. You can use here, there, inside, or outside. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.